So, alam niyo, parang maging maganda dito sa
Oh, kuya, nagre-request din sila ng tatlong, facility.
big.
Ano ba to?
I look at this.
Oo. Meron. Permission to use the available tables, chairs, and air conditioning units during the activity. In connection with the said event and accommodate all the personnel from the three facilities. We are respectfully requesting the use. O, yun nga. Kailangan. Oo.
Okay, first you need a lip balm. Now just put it in a little bit. No, one scrub, seriously. Oh, stain. Hold on.
Sige.
I'll use this filter. So I use this lip balm. First, let's play a game. And I use this filter ng sisimu sa letter V. English or Spanish? Huh? English. Whoever moves first is gay. Hanggang sa end. Pwede lang gumalaw pang end na. Pwede gumalaw kamay. Bawal na gumalaw. Pwede gumalaw ulit kamay. Bawal na gumalaw. Magsalita ako sa golden. Oh my gosh, it's so tagal to the end. Hindi kakaiba ba sa akin? Anong kakaiba? Tiramuha mo na yung mata ko. Hindi napikit, diba? Hindi napikit, diba? Hindi napikit. Mapikit. Like and subscribe and comment down below what's your name.